Dr. Jane Symington. I specialize in the areas of grief, trauma, and suicide intervention. I'm excited to tell you that we are now launching the Suicide Intervention Certification Training Program. This training is accredited through the Canadian Council of Professional Certification. When you receive certification, that certification is global. You also receive 52 continuing education units toward certification and recertification as an addiction counselor. That certification and recertification, those hours towards that certification, are also granted, not only in Canada, but internationally. During the Suicide Intervention Certification Training, this online training, you will receive the same information in written form, all 5 units of information on how to work with those who are at risk for suicide. You will also receive 1 unit of information on how to work with someone who is grieving a complicated death by suicide. You will also receive the information, 1 unit of information on how to work with someone who is bereaved following the death of a loved one by suicide. That complicated grief that is so difficult to work with. I will give you the skills to work with the stigma and the shame so deeply associated with that grief. During the other units, you will gain all the information on the factors that contribute to suicide. You will learn how to help someone move through the risk factors related to past traumas, past unresolved grief, powerlessness, hopelessness, and depression. You will learn how to assess for those risk factors, and you will learn skills to help the person at risk resolve some of those factors and move in a direction of healing from those things that are leading to them becoming suicidal. You will learn to help the person deal with the use of alcohol and drugs that they are using to numb the pain. You will learn how to help them move in a direction of letting go of those factors and finding new coping strategies. You will learn to do crisis intervention, and you will gain the skills at counseling, a specific model that we use counseling someone who is in that type of despair. I look forward to working with you as you move through the exercises, the activities, and all the content that you will receive the moment you register for this training. You will be given audio visuals to watch, and I will assist you as you move through them to gain the knowledge and skill that you need. Now, as an introductory offer, you will receive all of these and know that this is a 25% reduction in your cost as compared to if you were to take this training with us in the retreat center. So this is to your advantage if you are the kind of person who can be successful in doing online training.